Number 9 says as follows. The rate, remember rate is always a derivative. The rate at which a company's profits increase X years after it starts doing business is R of X equals 50 plus 4X plus 3 square root of X, $100,000 a year. I'm not writing $100,000 a year. Find their total profits if they stay in business for 9 years. So X is the number of years. It says it very clearly. So we want to say X equals 9. We want total profits.
Revenue.
So this is the rate. Then this is the derivative. Total would be what the function would be before you took the derivative. In other words, we have to go backwards. That means we integrate. We have to integrate this function from the start, which is 0 when they first start, to 9 years, because this is always the X value on here. We don't write the X, but it is. And we have 50 plus 4X plus 3 square root of X dx. Once again, this is the rate, which means the derivative of the profit. And you want to find the total profit. So we have a derivative. You have to find the antiderivative. And it goes from 0 to 9 because it says the first 9 years. First 9 years is 0 as they start, 9 is at the end. So this equals, it's a definite interval, X equals 0 to 9. We can either write the X or leave it off. 50 dx, that's the integral of 4X from 0 to 9 dx, plus the integral from 0 to 9 of 3, instead of saying square root of X, I'll say X to the 1/2. X to the 1/2 dx. So the way that you didn't have to break it up with them. The simplest way to do is simply take the antiderivatives. This would be 50x. This piece is going to be plus 4x squared over 2. And this is going to be plus 3x, adding 1 to 3/2, divided by 3/2. This is what this is equal to. And we compute it at 2.0 and 9. First we'll simplify, then we'll plug in 9 for x, then plug in 0 for x and subtract. So to simplify this, this equals 50x plus 2x squared, because this is 4x over 2, plus 3x to 3/2, so I multiply this by 2/3. So 2/3 times 3x is just 2x, so I'll show the 2x to the 3/2. We compute this from 0 to 9. Let's review this. This is 3x to the 3/2 divided by 3/2. This is equal to 3x to 3/2 times 2/3. This cancels, that's why I got 2x squared, because this is a division problem. Now, if I put in 0 here, it's going to be 0. So I'll need to put in 9. So you should put in the top bound, then compute that as a number. Then put in the bottom bound, compute that as a number. Subtract the top bound minus the bottom bound. However, the bottom bound is going to be 0, so we only put in 9. This equals 50 times 9 plus 2 times, this is 81, plus 2 times, what is 3/2 x? It means the square root of x, which is 3, cubed. This means the root, that's going to be the square root of 9 is 3, cubed is 27, so 2 times 27 is going to be 54. This equals 450 plus 162 plus 54. If I add these together, this is together is 504 plus 162 is 660.
What? It's fine. No, it's fine. Still going.
666. Sorry, that noise scared me.
Yeah, that scared me too.
That's
Never heard that one before.
6 and
666, huh? Sign of the beast.
That is what it is, and that's this answer. That is their profits in hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's all for this test. We hope soon just to write a few from another test.
That's your math. You got to know it.